Welcome! In front of me is a Motorola Moto G13 and today I'll show you how you can format your SD card. Now to get started, let's navigate to our settings. From here, find a section called Storage, right here. Once it loads up, you want to click right here on this device. It's a drop-down menu, and you can select your SD card. From here, we have a couple ways to open it up. Before I choose one of them, I'm going to quickly check something. Actually, we don't need to open up anyway, or anything from here. We can just tap on the three dots, and you have Format as an option right here. It gives you a notification that format this SD card. Formatting will erase existing content on the SD card. To avoid losing content, back it up to another SD card or device. So obviously, if you have anything there, make a copy of it. If you don't care, proceed further by selecting Format SD card. This will automatically begin removing everything that is on it. This process only takes a couple seconds and should be right about done. Any moment now. There we go. So from here, click on Done and that's it, you're finished. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.